The book Millionaire Fastlane by the author MJ DeMarco talks about a concept of avoiding headwinds, obstacles on your path to your goal in business. And that comes in the form of environments. One thing you have to really watch out for is your environment. Does your environment support your goal or does it not support your goal? And therefore, we need to examine our environment. Now, first of all, understand your goal. Make it clear. What is your goal? In this example, we're talking about creating a, let's say, YouTube business, okay? Which is what I'm doing. So, look at your environment right now. 99% chance you're at home watching this video, okay? And you would ask yourself, is this the best way for me to work on my business? Is this environment going to help me? I'm going to use examples from my situation so that I can kind of clearly paint the picture. In order to scale my YouTube business, I need to be creating content consistently. I need to be working on ideas. I need to be doing this stuff. So minimum 4 or 5 hours of just working that maybe I can release 3 videos, okay? So I got to ask, do I have any commitments in my life that are not giving me enough time? Well, I have to work. You might have to work as well. You might have a full-time job. So already you're losing 40 hours in the week. When you come home, you might be tired, you might have a headache, whatever. So there you're losing time too. You've got to eat, you've got to commute, you've got to look after yourself. Maybe you go to the gym. Here, you're losing a lot of time, okay? Another thing is, do you have responsibilities in your current environment? Where you might live, you might have responsibilities where you have to look after people, where you have to look after something. You have to be here because of this reason. Something is holding you down. The other question is where you're living expensive? Is it going to affect you? Well, I live in Australia right now, and if I was to quit my job right now and live off of that, well, maybe I couldn't do it. It would be very expensive. Whereas if I moved to another country, quit my job and try to live there, it'd be much, much cheaper. So therefore I have to ask the question, am I willing to sacrifice this, right? So that I can have more time to focus on my business. Another environmental factor, simple, right? You wouldn't want to be opening up a business in the middle of a fucking village because there would be no customers. Unless you're not looking to become a millionaire, you would get no fucking success, right? So therefore you have to understand that the environment there is also important.